Finding peace in Kathmandu. Kathmandu is an assault on the senses. It is a blend of fume-shrouded traffic chaos, clanging temple bells, cooing doves, the sticky scents of temple food offerings, wafts of incense, and the sound of the ubiquitously piped Buddhist mantra Om Mani Padme Hum pouring from the shops in the tourist neighborhood. The beckoning of persistent salesmen and the imploring of beggars adds to the mix. It is chaotic, mesmerising, fascinating, and exhausting. After spending some time in Kathmandu, you will need to get out of the crazy city streets to find some peace. There are several tranquil spots to re-energize, both in the surrounding Kathmandu Valley, and in the city itself. These are special places, ancient towns, spacious squares, hidden, wild gardens and breezy hilltop temples, all havens of calm amid the flurry of city life. While some of these have been recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites for their cultural and historical values, others are lesser known, quiet spots. Here is a collection of the best. The Garden of Dreams just outside Kathmandu's tourist hub Thamel, off busy Tridevi Marg, the tiny entrance in a tall brick wall leads into perhaps the most unexpected experience in the city. Step inside and you will find yourself in a neoclassical historical garden, a place of ponds and lily pads, green lawns and whispering palm trees, and most importantly, quiet. This is a magical place, especially when lit up at night. Take tea at the Kaiser Cafe to complete the experience. Swayambhunath on a hilltop just west of Kathmandu's center, this World Heritage Buddhist stupa sits under fluttering prayer flags with views of the Kathmandu Valley laid out before it. Come here to look down on the city, orientate yourself and breathe Kathmandu's freshest air. You can watch sacred monkeys skid through the trees and vultures soar above the valley. This nearly 1500-year-old site is a place of breezy contemplation and blissfully open space. Bowdnath for a breath of the tangibly spiritual, come to this vast Buddhist stupa at sunset. This is when the red-robed monks and Tibetans in traditional dress walk their daily choral pilgrimage. Although the pedestrian square around the stupa is thronged, the orderly clockwise flow of devotees has a hushed, reverent feel. Order your tsampa, a Tibetan snack of roasted flour, at one of the restaurants overlooking the square and watch as the stupa fades from sunset orange to ghostly white. Baktapa when you have had enough of the Kathmandu Valley's dusty, belching traffic jams. Car-free Baktapa is the perfect spot to seek refuge. This beautifully restored Nuari town, also a World Heritage Site, is a place to stroll quiet cobblestone streets between temples, hidden courtyards and spacious squares. Baktapa has a vibrant cultural life. You will see potters drying their work in the sun, carvers working as they have for centuries, and weavers crafting intricate designs. Come to soak in history amid a slow-paced, timeless ambience. Canggu Narayan Temple crowning the hilltop above Canggu village at the eastern end of the Kathmandu Valley is Nepal's oldest Hindu temple, founded in the 4th century, and dedicated to Vishnu. Despite its proximity to Baktapa, Canggu Narayan sees few visitors, and has a pleasingly out-of-town feel, surrounded by fields, forest and rural views. The architecture and sculptural detail are sublime, and the atmosphere is serene. The exceptional artistic merits of Canggu Narayan have won it UNESCO World Heritage status. Nagarjan Forest Reserve, one of the last areas of undisturbed forest in the Kathmandu Valley, this peaceful reserve feels far from the city, though it is only about 4 km north of Thamel. The reserve, also known as Rani Ban or Queen's Forest, is home to deer, pheasants, and monkeys. Bird spitters will delight in the fact that Nagarjan and neighboring Shivapuri National Park have recorded 318 bird species. Walk the footpath to the summit, 2095 meters, for wide valley views, or come here to climb or mountain bike. There have been security issues here in the past, so do not walk alone.